Dear students, congratulations on my video. At first, I want to introduce myself. I am Sushant Kumar Mitra, as the headmaster of Shalika Secondary High School, Shalika Madura. I hope that you all are well by the grace of Almighty God. If you follow my lecture, I hope that you can really the teaching of tense. My topics is present continuous tense. Now I am going to teach present continuous tense. Okay. Since we are Bengali, we learn Bengali sentence and then we identify what kind of tense it is. Present continuous tense is that tense which is going on continually, অর্থাৎ যে ক্রিয়া চলমান আছে, ঘটছে, হচ্ছে. If we see that তেসি, তেসো, তেসেন at the end of Bengali verb, অর্থাৎ বাংলা ক্রিয়াপদের শেষে তেসি, তেসো, তেসেন, আর যদি চলিত ভাষা হয় তাহলে খাচ্ছি, যাচ্ছি, দৌড়াচ্ছি ইত্যাদি. এই হলো বাংলা ক্রিয়াপদের রূপ. When we have realized or understood that it is present continuous tense, so we have to learn how to form this tense. If we see a sentence, শিক্ষক আমাদেরকে ইংরেজি পড়াচ্ছেন, একজন শিক্ষক আমাদেরকে ইংরেজি পড়াচ্ছেন বা পড়াইতেছেন, আল্লাহ দিচ্ছেন. মিনিং, if we translate it from Bengali to English, we can form it: a teacher is teaching us English. Dear students, follow it: a teacher is teaching us. When we are going to make it present continuous tense, am, is, are auxiliary verb বসাতে হবে after the subject. That means